Hi, my name is Diana, and TRU NIAGEN sent me this supplement in return for this video. I'm going to go through some of the features. This is great for someone that is just starting to feel like they're slowing down a bit. And you know what I mean? Those little things like you don't get out as bad as fast as you used to. When you go work out, it takes a little longer to recover from a big workout. Feeling foggy in the middle of the afternoon, walking into rooms, forgetting why you're going in there. If those things are you, then you definitely want to consider this supplement. I'm going to go over the features and then you can decide if it would be a great fit for you. What TRU NIAGEN does is support your cells, all 37 trillion of them, by helping boost something called NAD+. That's a molecule your body naturally makes, but it starts to decline as early as your 30s. NAD+ is kind of like fuel for your cells. When you have more of it, your body can do its job better. Things like repairing, recovering, and keeping your energy steady. Just one little capsule with or without food. It's vegan, gluten-free, caffeine-free, and has no artificial colors. So if you're someone who's careful about what goes into your body, this checks a lot of boxes. It's been tested and studied for years, and it's even backed by Nobel Prize-winning science. I know some people wonder, how long does it take to start noticing a difference? And this isn't one of those magical in an instant kind of thing. You take this, you're going to feel a massive difference, like drinking a bunch of caffeine. You're not going to have any stimulant kind of effect. This is something that builds up over time, and you'll start to notice a difference as the weeks progress. So be patient, be consistent, and you'll notice changes over time. And you'll notice, like, oh, I'm not so forgetful. Oh, I'm not so, tired in the middle of the afternoon. And there'll be subtle changes, but powerful. So if you're looking for a way to improve those areas of your life, definitely check this out.